Hi, I'm Yehudi Fleising. I'm the owner and operator of Bloomtown Gardening. We specialize in garden care and design. Started the company, owned my own company for a really long time now. I used to do like painting and window washing in Calgary, Alberta, and moved to Toronto and got into the corporate world for a little bit and realized it wasn't for me. So got back into owning my own little company, but specifically wanted to switch to gardening because I'm really passionate about plants and design. And I think it's a great way for people to beautify their homes and bring more nature into their day-to-day lives, especially in a big city like this of Toronto. Decided to work with George and KTC right off the bat. First of all, they came highly recommended from some marketing teams that I was looking at, and decided that actually instead of spending a bunch of money on marketing, I'd probably be better off spending a bunch of money on consulting. So I knew that from the beginning I could get things up and running properly from the get-go. Might as well learn from someone who's been doing it for the last 30 plus years and have already made all the mistakes. So I don't do the same thing when I'm first starting out. So I'm actually in my second year of using George now, and yeah, it's been, and his whole team as well. His whole team has helped me out, whether it's from helping get a website up, getting my books in order, and then just general questions I have on running the day-to-day operations of the business. Already in year two, I am way ahead where I would have been if I decided just to continue plugging away doing it on my own. Made way more money than I was originally expecting to in my first year as well. And I think most importantly, I'm just kind of setting up all these processes and systems early on in the company's life, so I know that as it grows, I won't run into a point where I'm running into problems in the future because I never really had things set up properly from the beginning. So definitely really grateful for both him and the entire team.
Would you recommend KTC to other companies?
Yes, I would, 100%.